What's up guys, I'm Tim Draxler and today I will show you how to control your telephone with a broken LCD screen. So you can see that the screen is not working anymore. For controlling your telephone you need a USB-C to USB adapter. So you just use your USB for the mouse and insert it into the adapter and connect it with the phone, and now you can use the mouse for controlling your telephone. So also you can use the keyboard. So that it's working really great. So now let's say that you want to use more devices. For this kind of operation you need a USB hub and you connect it to the adapter. You insert it into the phone and connect all the devices to your phone, and you can use the first mouse, the second mouse, and also you can use the keyboard. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao!